my cousins, Makuzo. Let's talk about this.
Hi, cousins.
Hi, cousins.
Hi, Kuzos.
If there's something that annoys me,
Yeah.
is every time you go into a building, they ask you for your ID. Listen, they ask you for your full names. They ask you for your ID number. They ask you for phone number.
Yeah. Na signature ata.
The signature, time in, time out, the signature.
Yeah, for sure.
And I think to myself, man, in this generation where there's data protection, people are not supposed to share all this information, how are you surviving, man? Why do we need to share all these details to go to the 4th floor? Why is it, and this is the thing, man, I'm trying to provide a solution. Why don't we tell you the person we are visiting? Because they already are there.
And you probably know them more than me.
Correct. I tell you, I'm coming to visit Tonio Kibbs. Then I write Tonio Kibbs visitor. Simple. So Tonio, if anything was to happen, is Tonio Kibbs are supposed to be responsible. Because listen, hizo ma counterbook zinaanga
Ziko, I mean, of course it's for security na hizo vitu zote. But the thing is, mimi unajua muangalia mbona mko na shida sana mtu akikuwa na jina yako na hizo manamba na nini. Hiyo data, I feel like hata kwangu kichukua hiyo data ukuje unihack hautapata chochote. Like
it's not about hacking.
Kuna watu hata tufichi chochote. Mimi hata ukikuja utapata tu shilingi zangu 2 kwa account. Ukikuja hata unijaribu kunifanyia chochote utapata tu like yani I have nothing to lose that much.
Boss, this guy has your full name. This guy has your ID number. This guy has your telephone number.
Yes.
Tell me 3 things that don't have those 3 documents that don't have those 3 things.
I mean,
tell me a document. Every document has your phone number. Listen, your M-Pesa number, your mobile money number, your what's it called, man? Your ID number. Your ID number is tied to your eCitizen account. Is tied to your mobile money account. Is tied to literally most of your apps, your bank account. Do you understand?
Yeah.
But why would you give all this information to a security guy?
Nakwambia like kuna watu tu.
Why don't you take pictures of us?
Sasa picture itakupeleka wapi?
Exactly. You want to know who came into the building? Just take a picture of me. What the heck, man? Why do you need all these documentations from me?
No, I feel like this documentation. I get what where you are heading to. Na get ukijaribu kusema venye iko links to hizo vitu zote, but in hindsight, in as much as the worst that they could do ni tu wao tu wakamiti kukupigia masimu kila time. Unapata random number msana anakuambia mtoto amepoteza calculator. Kuja shule ama tuma 50 ama 5000 tufanye hivi na hivi na hivi. Mtoto ni mgonjwa. Tuma